Nandito na kami. But look at that, man. Muulan na. Paano na? Tingnan natin yung development ng clouds natin. Raw! 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 Okay, mukhang hindi talaga tayo makakatakbo. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Okay, so since we're stubborn, tumakbo na kami. Maglalagay pala ako ng journey dashboard at the end of every episode. Kumusta kapatid? Today is Tuesday, July 7th of 2026 and our run is supposed to be 6-kilometer intervals. But before that, errands muna. Alam nyo, minsan ang pangit kabanding ng weather. Kanina, ganda-ganda ng weather. Hindi ng sikat ng araw. Ngayon, oh, paano na? Paano tayo tatakbo niyan? Nawala yung ulan. Medyo hindi ko masabi kung gumanda ba yung panahon kasi kahit pa paano maulap pa rin. Pero tatakbo na natin yan. Iniisip ko rin mag-video while running. Subukan natin. Okay, we're here. Kaso, every time na magde-decide ako na mag-video habang tatakbo, parating uulan. So, bahala na muna. Restroom muna tayo for now. Nandito na kami. But look at that, man. Muulan na. Paano na? Patigilin muna natin. Dito na kami. Okay, so since hindi tayo makatakbo, mirror check muna tayo. Tingnan natin yung development ng clouds natin. Raw! 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 Medyo sumusolid na, ano? Okay, so I don't think makatakbo kami ngayon. Dilim pa, oh. Munti na kaming magtuloy, kaso mabasa yung camera and all. So parang sabi ko, wag muna. And tama naman yung judgment ko. Lumakas kasi ng matindi yung ulan. Oh my goodness. But it's the thought that counts, right? We showed up. Now what? Okay, mukhang hindi talaga tayo makakatakbo. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Walang chance kasi alas 3, alas 4 pa lang. Pero sobrang dilim na dito. So I don't think merong kahit isang chance na makakatakbo tayo. So how about while waiting, kasi hindi rin kami makaka-uwi kasi nakamotor na kami, pag-usapan natin kung paano ko ma-improve yung videos ko. No? Kasi yung videos ko is more on preparations to run and then after run. So pre-run and post-run. There are several reasons kung bakit hindi ako na-video while running. Well, first, gusto ko sana concentrated ako sa running kasi tingin ko everything matters when it comes to heart rate. So, yung mental stress, physical stress. So, kapag may hawak ako na camera, baka feeling ko lang, baka mali ako. Maybe you can share some info about it. And another thing is, influencer yarn. Diba? Nakakahiya. Medyo nakakahiya yun. Hindi ka naman magaling tumakbo, hindi ka naman bagal-bagal mo. Video ka. What else? Yung weather na katulad nito, minsan maulan, hindi ka talaga, kahit gusto mong mag-camera, hindi ka talaga kasi masira yung camera. Yun nga, medyo hassle. Pero I think for the sake of the video, para lang kahit papaano may visuals, no? Mas maganda na rin siguro na mag-take tayo ng shots while running. It's a fair trade. We're all about improving our health, improving everything in general, including documenting the whole process. So, in case meron pa tayong pwedeng i-improve, why not, right? Ang lakas pa rin ng ulan. Paano kami uuwi? So, in times like this na hindi tayo makakatakbo, why not explore as well a cove, right? Right now, we're here at Yofros. Since hindi tayo makaka-burn ng calories, kumain na lang tayo ng more calories. Yung run sana na naging date. Hi, Mami. Okay, so since we're stubborn, tumakbo na kami. Yung first 2 kilometers ko, I'll run a zone 2. And then, mag-hard ako. And then zone 2 ulit. Hindi ko naman habol mag-PR ngayon dahil mas gusto kong habulin yung stamina or yung gains na makukuha kapag hard ka, intervals. So, I guess I'll see you in every kilometer. Tara. Okay, so, second kilometer. So far, walang masakit sa katawan. Okay naman yung HR. And, man, ang problema ko lang talaga. Bro, look at that. Dito na ako sa kalsada tumatakbo kasi yung sidewalk, sobrang dulas. Anyway, I'll see you in kilometer 2. Before kilometer 2 kasi by second kilometer, bubulusok na tayo. Alright. Sheesh. Okay, so malapit na tayong mag 2 kilometers. Napansin ko while recording like this, tumataas yung HR ko. Pero naka-zone 2 ako ngayon, ha? Anyway, I'll see you after 3rd kilometer. And siguro, matindi ang hinga ko niyan. But, I wanna focus on the run. So, see you later. Sheesh. Alright. So, medyo kapagod, no? Kasi, ang hinahabol ko dito is 6 minutes per kilometer. And ang heart rate, 160. So, I'll see you after my last lap for hard. Sheesh. Kapoy. Kapoy. So, this is the end of hard. Balik tayo sa zone 2. It's gonna be easy from here on out. I'll see you after the 5th kilometer. Sheesh. Okay. Nakabawi na tayo ng hininga. And 1 kilometer na lang bago matapos. And yeah, the run is amazing. Walang masakit. The hard was crazy. Medyo pinilit ko siya. Pero it was worth it. Worth it. Sheesh. Look at that sun. Ganda ng araw. Ganda ng araw. Grabe dito, dulas oh. Dulas min. And just like that, we're done. Unfortunately, parang nabasa yung mic ko. Ayaw na niya gumana. Hi! Anyway, cool down tayo. And then hanapin ko na rin si wifey para makauwi na kami. The run was crazy. Hirap tumakbo ng basa pero hindi naman na din umulan ng malakas. Ang problema lang is nababasa itong camera and my mic stopped working kahit full charge. So I'm thinking baka nasira siya. Baka kailangan ko siyang ilubog sa bigas. Oh my god, wala na akong pamalit if ever. Ay! So ayun. The run was good. Nothing hurts in the feet. And happy dahil nakatakbo kami kahit ganito yung weather. And siguro I'll recap na lang later, no, at home. For now, sheesh.
So we're finally home and I'm glad we ran today because it was an amazing experience. Kung pag-uusapan natin yung run, the run was okay. And we made a crazy result. Why? Because yesterday I decided to run my comfortable, easy pace. However, nandyan siya sa 148 BPM, diba? And today, gusto ko kasing i-preserve yung pa ako for the hard run. So I decided to run the first 2 kilometers on zone 2. And I think it worked because when I ran my hard runs, 2 kilometer hard runs, it was amazing. And then yung last 2 kilometers ko, zone 2 ulit. However, the result was crazy. So, tignan natin yung resulta ng run. So, look at this. Average pace is 8:20 kilometer. And kung makita nyo yung splits, look at that. Zone 2 sa first 2 kilometers. And then, for some reason, zone 2 rin yung last 2 kilometers. Pero, hindi ko alam kung rin tawag dito. Ang taas pa rin ng heart rate. They're saying this is heart rate drift. I'm not sure of the term. Pero yun eh. Pero, look at this, guys. Ang bilis nung aking hard runs. First was 6:48. Tapos sa 4th kilometer, muntik akong pumasok sa 5 minute, no? Kaso hindi natin nagawa. But yeah, hindi pa rin ako mabot sa 170 heart rate. Pero I think I did my best in this run. I'm not sure if it's crazy kasi mas mabilis yung run natin compared kahapon. Although ngayon may zone 2 tayo and hard. So I guess siguro okay lang, ano? What's really amazing today is that walang masakit sa paa ko. Kasi usually pa nag-hard run ako, sasakit yung paa ko. Okay, so that is the run. But I think the real story for today is it worth it bringing a camera while running? Okay, I'm not sure ha. Kasi every time I would film myself, tapos so i-stop ko na yung film and then I'd look at my watch, ang taas ng heart rate. For some reason, ang taas ng heart rate. At saka mas mabilis ako. I think habang nagre-record ako, napapabilis yung takbo ko, so tumataas yung heart rate. Kasi mas mabilis yung speed every single time. Yun yung napansin ko. Siguro dahil hindi ako conscious sa movement ng pako at mas iniisip ko yung sinasabi ko. So, bumibilis yung takbo ko nang hindi ko namamalayan. Hindi ko alam eh. I wanted to have more tests na mag-record while running. And to be honest, I've been thinking about it for a while now. Kasi our videos, we are running every day. However, the videos are so dry. That's why I was asking if it's okay to bring a camera while running. And I already said the reasons why I am hesitant to bring a camera. But I think in the long run, it's better, no? Na kahit papaano mag-fluctuate yung heart rate while filming. I'm not even recording the whole hour run, right? The whole hour and a half run. Clips lang. Although, I think the downside lang is yung camera. Baka masira. And yung mic ko. This mic, it stopped working. It stopped working when I was showing the view. It stopped working kasi I bought this silicone on Shopee. And while I was using it, since umuulan, nag-accumulate pala siya ng maraming tubig inside. So when I tried to use the mic, nag-auto shut off siya for some reason. Sa takot ko, tinanggal ko ito. Pag uwi ko, nilagay ko kagad sa bigas. And then, kumain kami. After 2 hours, gumagana na ulit siya. So, kinabahan ako ng medyo konti doon. I think I'm probably not gonna be using that silicone anymore. So, yun. Wala kasing nanonood ng videos ko. So, wala pa akong makausap, matanungan, or wala pang active na nagre-reply sa mga tanong natin. Pero, siguro eventually, may makadiscover ng stuff natin. Or if not, then, ayos lang din. Anyway, it's part of the experiment kung okay ba or hindi. Well, tomorrow is a new day, which also means a new experiment day. So, yeah, I'll bring a camera tomorrow while running Zone 2. So, it's gonna be fun. Okay, I guess that's it for today. See ya.